If you have strong analytical skills and you're excited to discover how various devices work, engineering is the right course for you. Be part of the fast-growing industry of computer and network technology and engineering through STI. The engineering programs of STI deliver innovative solutions that incorporate technical, operational, and business considerations in the field of computer, electronics, and network technology. With STI, you will gain in-demand ICT skills in computer networking, microprocessor systems, and circuit design using modern computer-based tools, software applications, and programs. Countless career opportunities here and abroad are open to graduates of this field. You can become a project engineer, network systems administrator, computer systems engineer, data communications engineer, and so much more. Build, create, innovate. Get real-life engineering education only at STI.